may I request to everyone to stand up for prayer. Miss, what's your name? Ronami. Let's do the prayer.
Lord, let us know the presence of the Lord. Oh God, eternal Father,
Amen.
Amen.
Before you sit up, please pick up the pieces of paper and arrange your chair. Okay, how are you doing, class?
I'm
Very
fine.
good to hear that. So, anyone absent for today? Okay. And now, who can recall about the discussion last meeting? Anyone? Anyone? Okay, then we have
Previous discussion is all about polynomials.
polynomial. So, Miss Aisel, tama ba yung sinabi niya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so very good na namatingan ka mga natin. One, last discussion. So,
Before we proceed to our proper lesson, let's have first activity. This activity is called Relay the Answer. I will divide you into two groups. Each group you should choose participants. So, count of 1, 2,
3.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. All number 1, stay here. All number 2, stay. Sige na. Plus, lahat ng number 1, bumupo dito. Ang number 2 dito. I have here index card. So, instruction. Participants will receive containing math problems, the sequence of solving and passing answers as follows. The first participant, which card number 1, solves their problem and passes to the next participant. So, makasabot na mo, for example, sa participant, tatagaan ko ang number 1 yung index card. Niyan, makakuha yung answer kasi mapasa niya sunod ng participant. Ang yung ipapasahan, mag-answer na, mapasa natin niya siya sunod ng participant. Tapos last na kuhan, participant, amo ang mga niya in front, isusurat niya kung ano ang answer. Understand?
yes,
Class?
yes, sir.
Dili. Okay, Mr. Tison, where have you been? Stay outside. Jump class.
Report na. Kaya wala dito,
Will show. In front. Okay, pull in line.
Sige guys, sige na po yung pag-relay.
Hindi na, area ang sir.
Sige, surat.
Okay, time starts now.
Ay, block me! Ay, ano? Ang serious, hindi ka naman.
Finish na, sir.
Ay, wala.
Okay.
Yes. So, our answer is positive 720.
Group 2. Faster.
Sir, wrong. Your answer is wrong.
Tingnan natin kung tama nga ba ang sagot ni Mr. Minesio.
Wrong.
Number 1. Okay. Go Bress. Ano sa tingin mo ang Mr. Johnson number 160? Correct. Very good. Go Bress. Nalagay mo dito yung 60. Tison, what do you think is the answer number 2?
Wrong.
Very good, Mr. Tison. Reggie Joy. What do you think is the answer number 3? Please stand up.
Negative 160. 360. Negative 360.
Correct. Thank you, Reggie Joy.
260 ba? Uy, 160 ba? Uy,
60.
Sorry.
Unknown.
Miss Jasmine, what do you think is the answer number 4? Very good. Okay. Sa tingin nyo, sino ang ano ng tamang sagot?
Kami.
Team Magayon.
Team Makayod.
Ayun pa.
It's What can you say about the previous activity? Class, what can you say about the previous activity? It is interesting.
Yes, sir.
So, do you have an idea of what will be our topic for today? Okay, good.
Our objectives for today is at the end of the discussion, the students are expected to define the roles on multiplying integers and participates actively in the class discussion. Okay class, we will proceed to our main topic, which is multiplying integers. So, just like addition and subtraction, multiplication of integers also follows specific rules. So, number 1 rule, kindly read Quezon, please stand up. Thank you.
Multiplying integers is
Number one.
same sign. Positive times positive equals positive. Negative times negative equals positive. 2. Different sign. Positive times negative equals negative. Negative times positive equals negative. Number 3. 0. Any integers multiplied by 0 is 0.
Thank you very much. So, always take note, class, if we multiply integers, same sign is always positive. So, I have here an example. So, this problem is positive. No. The rules in multiplying integers, if same sign, the answer is always positive. So, 6 times 8, what is the answer? Equals 48. Very good. Now, this answer, Rona, for the second problem.
I will write
And-
on the board.
Yes, apply the rules on multiplying integers. Okay, very good. So, let's proceed to the different side. I will give you some example. Okay, go please. Answer this problem and apply the rules on multiplying integers. Very good. Negative 8 times positive 8 equals plus
Negative 64.
negative.
64.
Very good. Okay, Ison. Answer this problem and apply the rules on multiplying integers.
Wala lang po eh.
Very good. Negative 81. 9 times negative 9 equals negative 81. So, to clarify further, I have a chart here on the rules of multiplying integers. So, here is the chart. So, positive times positive equals positive. And the example is 8 times 4 equals positive 32. So, if the problem is negative times negative, the answer is positive. Take note that rules class. So, if both signs are different, what is the answer? Sign negative. Kahit mauna yung negative o kahit dito mailagay sa huli na term, always yan na negative. Basta unlike sign. So, I will give 5 problems. And I will call student to answer. Okay, number 1.
Ako.
Gobles.
Isulat yan ito doon, mandiray. Balik na.
Number 2, Regine. Number 3, Ronami. Number 4, Teson. Number 5, Regine. Okay, let's check. So, positive 106 times negative 2 equals?
Negative 1 or 212.
Very good. Negative 212. Number 2, negative 150 times positive 2. The answer is
Negative 300.
negative 300. So, number 3, 140 times 4 equals
560.
560. Very easy. No? Number 4, negative 300 times negative 3 equals?
Positive 900.
This is positive or equals?
Equal, siguro surat.
Mamay ka lang sarap.
Number 5, negative 8 times negative 10 equals?
Positive 80.
Positive 80. So, now, any clarification class? Any question?
None so far,
So,
sir.
not so far. Let us apply what we have learned today in real life situation about integer. Tell me if it is positive or negative. No. Tell me if it is positive or negative. Number 1, broken hearted. Negative or positive?
Negative.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. Sure. Number 2, Win. Win.
Positive.
Number 3, decrease.
Decrease.
Negative.
Negative.
Negative. Number 4, deposit.
Positive.
Positive. Oo. Deposit.
Pero kung nasiar, pangiba nito.
Number 5, owing money.
Positive.
Owing.
Negative.
Negative. Very good. Earning money.
Positive.
Positive. Loss.
Negative.
Negative. And last, complete the task.
Positive.
Positive. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Complete the task is positive.
Negative.
Yes, sir.
Negative kay iba na, di ba? Kung may dakakas, dikitan sa iba. Pwede positive, pwede negative.
Pwede negative.
Either negative or positive.
Kasi kami dapat din.
Yes,
Oo,
sir.
sige. Sige mo.
Yes.